Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kostulas, and today I want to go over with you how you can make your first viral commercial. Okay, so let's dive right into the keynote presentation. All right, so basically, where we're going to make these viral posts, viral commercials, they're going to be on Facebook and Instagram. This is just a little bit about me, and here's how I can get you to, to make a video for either yourself or for another person to get them like a 60,000 view video. And I'm going to break down for you guys today in the Facebook Ads Manager the steps you need to do in order to, start to do this. Now, a lot of you guys that watch my channel are interested in social media marketing. So if you are currently going to school for social media marketing, if you work in a company for social media marketing, learning how to do Facebook ads and Instagram ads is an insanely valuable asset to your business and company. I have over 10 different businesses that I help doing their Facebook ads and Instagram ads, and they pay me in between 1 to 10K a month per person. So, if you were to add this or to go up to your boss or whatever and be like, listen, I can help set up a Facebook ad to help bring our company's, brand just to way more relevant people, you are very, very, very valuable to them, and you can literally you can ask for a raise. So, pay attention in this video. I'm going to teach you how to do all of it. All right, so we're only going to do 2 slides today, and then we're going to hop into the Facebook ads. So I just want to show you guys the exact example for one of the restaurants that I do. So maybe you guys have seen this slide before. I've used it on a couple videos, but I want to explain to you how I got there and the exact steps I used to get 60,000 views and over 85,000 people reached to just a normal Italian restaurant. So, all right, basically, they didn't get all those views, all those likes, and all those shares because of, the copy. It wasn't because of what I wrote here. It was because I was targeting people that are in the area of this restaurant. Okay, I'm literally highly targeting people who are looking up Italian restaurant, pasta, pizza, bar, you name it. Like if they're typing in Italian dinner on their phone and Facebook can detect that, Geno's literally will have an ad pop up on their Instagram feed or their Facebook feed. And this is what gets the crazy engagement. Like, look, 196 people commented, over 358 people shared it, 1,300 people liked it, 60,000 people viewed it, and it reached over 85,000. So that's the reason why I have the LTV sitting right next to it, because I want to show you guys the value that you're bringing to whatever business that you're currently trying to help or currently working for. So the long-term value for one happy, satisfied customer for a restaurant guest is $6,600 over the span of 5 years. So think about that for any industry. Say your mom's a dentist. Say your best friend's mom's a dentist. Like, bring this up to her. Bring this up to him and talk to him or her about, how you can set them up a Facebook commercial that can drive way more highly targeted, most likely people to their page to become customers for them. So let's get out of this keynote and let's hop on Facebook. So okay, so right now we're in the Facebook Ads Manager, as you guys can see over here. What we're going to do is we're going to run an ad for engagement. We want people to like it. We want people to comment. We want people to view it. We want people to share it. All that good stuff. So we're going to call this viral commercial. Can't spell commercial. Okay. All right. So I want to make, for example, a viral commercial for for video games. I want to grow my channel so that when I play Call of Duty, I have a bunch of other, people streaming to watch me play and to answer a couple questions about entrepreneurship. So I want to target people worldwide because, um, you know, for my specific business, um, you get paid on YouTube for watch time. So if people are sitting there watching me play PlayStation, I get paid for that based on the amount of time they're sitting there watching. So I want to target people that are like, I was playing Call of Duty when I was like 10, and I want to say people are playing Call of Duty up to like 30, at least, maybe even older, but whatever. But see how this is literally going to reach, like, I'm pretty sure I'm not sure what this number is. It's a huge number. Is that a billion? 200 million. This is 200 million right here. So this has to be a billion people potential reached. So there's a lot of people. Let's target guys. Actually, you know what? That's fucked up. Girls play Call of Duty. All right, so Call of Duty. All right, so they have to be interested in that. So, okay, that brings it down to 43 million people. But I want to narrow the audience and get people who are also interested in entrepreneurship. So that way, when I'm playing Call of Duty and I have the mic on, I could be talking to relevant people who are interested in what I like to talk about. So as you guys can see here, um, estimated daily results are a little ridiculous because of how many people that can see it. I'm not gonna pay $11 a day to this. I'll pay like $5. And on average, I should be getting about 2,500 to 16,000 different people going to my Facebook ad. Now, put the Facebook pixel on. This is obviously very important. Oh no, we're gonna have to start over. I'm under Balance Media. That's my business. But you guys understand the concept. I literally just broke down for you exactly the process that it really takes to create a Facebook ad. Now, that's literally how long it takes. Like 30 minutes to 45 minutes tops, because you got to learn how to create the commercial and, try to get people to click on your link. Obviously, practice makes perfect. The best way to get a viral commercial is to split test and see what's working. I want to show you guys the ad that I'm going to run for video games. This is something that I really should just be putting in my course and charging people for it. But at the same time, it's like, why do that when I can inspire you to want to start doing this today? Because you can start doing this today. And then you'll trust me and you'll be like, word, like my man's Nick, like he showed me his exact ad. I sort of copied it, and now I have a bunch of people watching me play video games, and I get paid from Google every month. I get a check from YouTube every single month because of the amount of subscribers and people watching my videos. Who was I talking to yesterday? Like, how do you get paid though? And I was like, bro, watch time. And I think it was my friend Francis. He's my camera guy. Basically, Francis was like, I was talking to him about how he can, make a YouTube channel and get paid for his music, and he can get paid for baseball, and he can get paid for acting. Those are the three things that he wants to do. And I was like, listen, dude, you put that all in one personal brand on YouTube, and you can get paid for people who are interested in all different topics of those. Like, if he wants to be an actor, like, he should be documenting his journey on trying to become an actor. He should be documenting his journey on trying to become an athlete or to become a musician. You know what I'm saying? So, like, he can grow a audience. He can grow a group of people who really like him, and he every single day he can be funneling in new people. So, for example, say he wanted to play video games all day, and he wanted to attract people who are interested in a specific video game. In this case, it's Call of Duty. This is what a viral commercial is going to look like. Go team. All right, so quick little video that explains to them If you guys read it, it goes, learn how I make money playing video games, swipe up. So I'm only going to be targeting people, like you guys saw in the Facebook ad, people who are interested in Call of Duty and people who are interested in entrepreneurship. So if anybody interested in entrepreneurship is interested in learning how to make money, and if they see a cool Call of Duty commercial and they get to learn how to make money doing that, because most likely if they are interested in Call of Duty, they have Call of Duty. So I feel like they would watch my videos in like the background, like they're playing Call of Duty on mute, and they got my video playing to the right of them because I'm talking to them about a subject that they like. Maybe this video, you know what I'm saying? So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video teaching you guys how to create a viral commercial. If you guys want me to go in depth and show you exactly how I make my commercials and my exact Facebook ads and my exact funnels, my exact, like everything I know is basically in this social media advertising course. It's called Balance University, and uh, basically in this social media advertising academy, I teach you guys exactly how to start your own social media advertising business. And I'm going to be charging $400 for it as of today. Tomorrow it's going up to 500, then to 600, then to 700, then to 800. I want to get it up to back to 1,000 for where it was. So the people who act first will pay the least. It's really just that simple. So far, we got 14 people, 14 students in the course. I'm working extensively hard on my mentorship people. I have 3 people in my mentorship group where I literally call them and text them on like a daily basis to get basically to get them their first client in 30 days. That's my whole goal. And if you guys are interested in something like that, and you want, if you feel like you can benefit from a coach, a mentor, a personal development like mentor, I'm going to be running an application process because now that my channel is growing, my email list is growing, I have a bunch of different people that are reaching out to me, and I don't want to overextend myself. So basically, if you guys put in your email on my free passive income ebook, you'll be cookied for my autoresponder. And basically what that means is you're going to be getting a shit ton of value from me every single day in your email. So I highly suggest, if you guys don't have that already, pick up that free ebook, and then you can find out how my application process is going to be for people that I'm going to be mentoring. So if you want to get the fastest results possible to get your first advertising client paying you 1 to 10K per month, having a coach basically hold your hand through the whole process is the easiest way to make it happen. So, I appreciate you guys watching this video all the way to the end. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, you turn on post notifications. I'm going to be posting every single day showing you guys how to make money with your computer. All right? Peace.